Hey everybody, my name is Erin from Juniper and Oaks. I'm a crochet pattern designer and lover of all things yarn. I'm a self-proclaimed crazy yarn lady, what can I say? I'm here to talk to you a little bit about these packages that I got from Furls. Furls Crochet recently announced that they were discontinuing their Odyssey hooks, and I was so sad. When they restocked their final batch of Odyssey hooks, I knew I had to jump on board and get me a couple because there were some of the smaller sizes that I hadn't had yet. While I was waiting for that package to come, they also sent me this one, and I was quite confused on what was inside, but I'm excited to share with you what it was when I opened it up. Guys, this is so fun. Ah! Look at all this yarn they sent me. These are the new colorways of their Wander line. I used Wander for my Nordic Star cowl this year. It's really soft, it's squishy and lovely to cuddle with, kind of like a Karen Simply Soft. And I just knew that I had to use it for my Nordic Star crochet along. Some of you might have already tried it, but these are all the new colorways. There are 11 of them, and oh my goodness gracious. I think these colors are so vivid and beautiful. Like there's 2 new green ones, well like 3 green ones. This one's greenish too. They already have so many greens. How can you have more? Abyss, oh wow. And a yellow. I've been waiting for a yellow. Like I have a lot of the yarns to make like a rainbowy. I didn't have a yellow, so this works out great. But then they have some nice like fallish color, like this one, Vineyard. It's like a brownie, purple, gray. How would you describe that? This one's called Cabin. That's nice because I'm staying in a cabin here. I can see so many pumpkins being crocheted out of this. Definitely. This is another orangey one. Passage? Yeah, I could see that. I could see people crocheting pumpkins out of Passage as well. Nice fall color. Ooh, look at this pink. It's called Delight. How delightful. I think my Piper would enjoy something out of that. I don't know. What are your guys' ideas? This is called Breathe. I wish I could breathe. I've had a cold for like 4 weeks. Arbor is this green one. This one already said is Abyss. Ooh, look at this. Oh, I was going to say caramel. It's not caramel, it's camel. Like a camel in the desert. Ooh, I know some people who would love this yarn. This creamy yellow is called Meringue, like a meringue pie. I already talked about this Vineyard. Ooh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. The purple, Vineyard. Okay, then this like Kelly green is called Cottage. Last but not least, this yellow, Intrepid. That's bold, Intrepid. These are 11 new colors for the Wander line. They already have so many beautiful, wonderful, deep, vivid, cozy, bright, like neon. They already have so many different colorways. Adding 11 more is just so much fun. So thanks to Furls for sending me this yarn. I think they did so because I used the Wander yarn in my cowl this year. So I would say some of the negative things about the yarn, it can be compared to other yarns too. Like Karen Simply Soft is really soft and shiny like this, but it also splits a lot, and that's how this yarn is. Another thing is in a lot of the skeins, you'll see a lot of knots, or maybe the yarn isn't spun how it's always supposed to be. It's not in every skein. I talked to the company about it, and they said that's part of the mill. It's not really anything that they can control. What I usually do if I find a knot like this is I will just cut on either end and then weave in my ends, and it's really no big deal. But that is something to note about this yarn. Okay, the Furls Wander yarn is 100% acrylic. It's a worsted weight yarn, number 4 medium weight yarn. It has been referred to more as an Aran weight. Is it a little bit thicker than some of the worsted weight yarns? I don't know. What am I going to do with this? In the future, I have some more mosaic patterns coming out. So definitely be on the lookout for those mosaic patterns that are going to be published soon. Okay, guys, leave a comment below. Which one of these that I said was your favorite colorway? What are you going to go and get right now? Leave a comment below. We'd love to know. I could make like a scrappy blanket out of this. No, I got to come out with some fun ideas. Okay, I'm going to host a giveaway. I'm going to pick 5 random skeins of these Wander yarns and send them to one random person who comments down below. Okay, this person has to be in the United States. Comment below which one of these is your favorite colorway. Also, share this post if you would. Please share it and then comment done and where you've shared it to so that more people can enter this giveaway. What do they say? They say like, comment, share, subscribe. So in order to win, you have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. What 5 yarns would you like to receive? Let me know. Okay, who wants to see the Odyssey hooks that I ordered? I ordered 2 of them, a G and a G plus. I can't remember what colors I ordered. They package these so well so that the hooks don't break. Okay. Ooh. So although these hooks have been discontinued, they do still have some seconds that are available every once in a while. So the seconds are the hooks that aren't perfect. They're still good enough. They aren't perfect. Okay, here's my G. Yay. It says, peekaboo. That's good that they added that little cardboard bit on there so the hook doesn't snap if it gets like stepped on in the mail or whatever. So this is, I think this is the gray. It's like a shiny gray G, and then my G plus. Woo! It says peekaboo in there. Okay, the G plus is an amethyst, which is like this deep purple. I've been wanting one of these. I'm glad that they had one. Okay, so I have a G and a G plus. That's really great because I do have an H already, and it's interesting that they're like different sizes. Here's my H. I have a J as well in some of the bigger sizes, but I definitely wanted to get the smaller sizes because they're resin hooks. And the smaller sizes, they break easy. Like if you drop them, if they like roll out of your van, I don't know, does that happen to anybody? Or say your kid like throws it on the ground, does that break? Probably. Or when you like have it on your lap, you like jump up to like catch your kid from falling off the couch. Has that ever happened to you? Your hook breaks? That's too bad. Frills does have a replacement policy if your hook breaks like under certain situations, but I definitely wanted to get these Odyssey hooks. I'm so sad that these are no longer available, but I'm glad that I have them and that hopefully they last me a lifetime. Let's hope so. Have you guys ever used a Frills hook, a Frills Odyssey hook, or resin, or wood, or whatever kind? Let me know in the comments. What has been your favorite one? Have you ever tried one of these Odyssey hooks? I hope that you're able to grab some before they left. Yes, these hooks are quite expensive, but I have been using them for a couple years. And recently, I went back to a boy hook. It was either a boy or a Bates hook that came in a crochet kit, and my hand cramped up so bad. So I think my hands have gotten used to this, and like I can crochet all day, like this corner to corner blanket, and my hand doesn't cramp. And that's with these Odyssey hooks or like the cheaper resin hooks as well. I think they're great, and I will promote them all day long. Else isn't paying me for it. I do get an affiliate commission, so if you want to buy any of this yarn or any of the resin hooks, let me show you some of the resin hooks. These are a couple of the resin hooks that I brought with me to the cabin. This is cookies and cream, something like that. It's been discontinued, this colorway, but they have so many new colorways. And then this one is a Gemini Pollux. This one's still available as of today. These have like some beautiful swirls in them. A lot of their, would you call hooks? Different color hooks, would you call those colorways like you do yarn? I'm not sure. But they have like a zodiac and astrological names to them. A lot of the resin ones do. And then they have wooden hooks. They have some candy shop hooks, which are like fancy. And then they have like limited edition like Alpha Series ones that are just crazy beautiful. They kind of remind me of chess pieces, but they just have so many different kinds of hooks. Okay, so disclaimer, Frills does not pay me a paycheck or anything to talk about their stuff. I just use it. I have an affiliate link. If you want to buy it and support me in that way, you can. Frills did not tell me to make this video. I was just doing an unboxing video of what I got. I do have an affiliate link, so if you want to support me that way and purchase any of this stuff that you see here today, I can earn a bit of a commission off of that. No extra cost to you. Thank you so much for that. Maybe one day they will pay me to promote them. Wink, wink, wink. I don't... Okay. I was just looking at this. I don't know why it's like that. Here's the G+, so it should be bigger than the G. But like, I suppose the hook is smaller, but look at this taper right here. It's awfully big compared to the G+, which is like really skinny. I wonder why that's different. Does anybody know? Huh. Interesting. I'd say this G and the H have a very similar taper. I wonder if that's like the inconsistencies and why they're discontinuing. I don't know. Very interesting. Best wishes on winning the giveaway. Go ahead, comment, like, subscribe, share, all of that jazz. Best luck winning the giveaway. I love my crochet community, especially here on YouTube. So if you're not part of this YouTube crochet community, please hit the subscribe button and hit that little notification bell so I can let you know anytime that I come out with any other unboxing videos, crochet tutorials, vlogs, things like that. I really appreciate my crochet community. Happy crocheting!